Ito yung dalangin ko para sa ating lahat sa panahon ng Jubilee year. Hindi mawawala yung mga unos sa buhay natin. We will continue to be probed and tested, but I pray that we will become people and pilgrims of hope. At itong pag-asa na ito ay hindi lamang para sa atin, not only to appropriate that for ourselves, but to share that with others. Because our vocation is not only to become individual pilgrims, but a community of pilgrims. Our vocation is not only to become individual people with hope, but communities with hope. We are not only called to be saints as individual persons, but to form saintly communities. Just to conclude this sharing, I would like to go back to Pope Francis. Sabi niya po, at sana maibahagi niyo rin sa iba, when you encounter tremendous challenges, when you are probed and tested in your life, pag nakaranas kayo ng mga unos, ng mga pighati, ng mga pagsubok, do not run away. Do not escape from that place. Because surely, one day, the Lord will send His Holy Spirit to console you, to strengthen you, to affirm you. And if you escape from that place, if you run away, pag kayo'y tumakas, the Holy Spirit, when He comes, He will not find you anymore. Kaya mga kapatid, alam kong iba o marami sa atin dito, merong pinagdadaanan ng mga pagsubok. Huwag kayong tumakas. Huwag kayong tumakas dahil ipapadala ng Panginoon ang kanyang Espiritu para tayo patatagin at palakasin. At huwag kalimutang magdasal dahil tulad ni Pope Francis, merong unos man tulad ng ating Panginoon, may unos man sa buhay natin, tayo pa rin ay umaasa sa Panginoon because we are pilgrims and bearers of hope.